Then he puffed to the docks with the stinky cheese. "Bust my buffers," said Thomas. "Everyone will smell this cheese for miles." Thomas saw Diesel waiting at a junction. "Oh no," moaned Thomas. "If Diesel smells how stinky I am, he'll tell everyone that I really am the stinkiest engine on Sodor. And I don't want everyone to think I'm stinky," he puffed. Thomas backed quickly along the track. "Thomas, stop!" the signalman called. "If you go that way, you'll be late." But Thomas had already gone. Thomas raced through the countryside. "No one will smell how stinky I am now," he chuffed. But then Thomas saw Ari waiting in a siding. "Oh no, it's Ari," moaned Thomas. "I can't let him smell how stinky I am." So Thomas backed quickly away.